One of the most popular trends in interior design today is rustic wood decor. And it's easy to see why. Natural wood elements add warmth, texture, and a cozy vibe to any home. At Decor Idea, we love how rustic wood pieces can effortlessly blend with various interior styles, from farmhouse to modern minimalism. The beauty of DIY is that you can customize these pieces to fit your space perfectly, whether it's a reclaimed wood wall art, a custom shelf, or a decorative sign. Plus, working with wood allows you to incorporate natural imperfections and unique grain patterns that add character and authenticity. In this video, we'll show you how to select the right types of wood, prepare them properly, and give them a finish that enhances their natural beauty. Rustic wood decor is not only visually appealing but also environmentally friendly, especially if you use reclaimed or recycled wood. It's an excellent way to bring a bit of nature inside your home while also reducing waste. With Decor Ideas tips and tricks, you'll learn how to craft stunning rustic decor pieces that will become focal points in your indoor spaces and start conversations among your family and friends. One of the simplest yet most functional DIY wood decor projects you can undertake is creating custom wooden shelves. Shelves are incredibly versatile. They provide storage, display space, and can dramatically alter the look of a room. At Decor Idea, we recommend designing shelves that complement your existing furniture and color scheme. For example, floating shelves with a sleek finish can add a modern touch, while rustic, weathered wood shelves create a farmhouse or vintage vibe. The process begins with measuring the space where you want to install the shelves, selecting the appropriate wood, and cutting it to size. Sanding is essential to smooth out rough edges and prepare the surface for finishing. Once assembled, you can decorate your shelves with plants, books, photos, or decorative objects. At Decor Idea, we suggest using sturdy brackets or opting for a hidden mounting system for a clean, minimalist look. This project not only enhances your home's aesthetic but also provides practical storage solutions. Plus, making your own shelves gives you the freedom to customize dimensions, colors, and finishes, making each piece uniquely yours. With some basic tools and a little bit of patience, you can create beautiful, functional shelves that will elevate your indoor decor and impress your guests, all while enjoying the satisfaction of a DIY project completed with love and care. And indoor plants have become a staple in modern home decor. And what better way to showcase them than with custom wooden plant stands and holders? At Decor Idea, we believe that wooden plant stands not only provide a stable base for your greenery but also add an earthy, natural element to your space. Creating your own plant stands is straightforward and allows you to match the height, style, and finish to your existing decor. Using reclaimed wood or inexpensive pine, you can create a stylish organizer that doubles as decor. The project involves cutting the wood into sections for hooks, slots, or compartments, then assembling and finishing it with paint, stain, or varnish. Adding hooks or pegs allows you to hang necklaces, bracelets, and earrings, while small drawers or compartments are perfect for rings, watches, or other small items. Thank you for joining Decor Idea today as we explored these inspiring DIY wood product decor ideas for your home interior. The beauty of woodworking is that it allows you to create personalized, meaningful pieces that add character and warmth to your space. Remember, all of these projects are achievable with basic tools and a little patience. So don't be afraid to get creative and put your own spin on each design. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Decor Idea for more inspiring DIY tutorials. We love seeing your creations, so tag us on social media with your finished projects. Stay tuned for more creative home decor ideas, and as always, happy woodworking!